Stop it. Why are you talking? Here we go.
Like, I think
There you go,
they
Nine-Nine.
made exactly where it was.
It does look like a change. It just needs to be used.
If I didn't even put
Like, you expect for me to like grip this, lift it up, and unwrap the cord.
I didn't even pay attention to the cord enough. I just set it down.
Okay.
So right now we're about to make these pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. So we're gonna make them as waffles because I seen somebody's video and they did it in a waffle maker.
What are you doing here?
Say hi, babies.
No!
Hi. Oh, you're camera shy. I'm in a good mood today because it is pretty chilly in my room, so I'm able to wear my sweater that I got from YesStyle. So I received a PR package from Aussie. Oh. No, I'm just kidding. I got this off of Amazon. But one day I will be on Aussie's PR list for their hair care. But basically, I found this set of their curly hair products on Amazon. I think it was like $30. And it comes with 6 products. So I thought that would be nice to try out on my curly hair. Also, Jamie is testing out curly hair products too because he's letting his hair grow out and his hair is getting like really long and curly. So we're both going to be using this. So this is their Miracle Curls collection and it comes with a shampoo and conditioner. This, like everything in the collection is infused with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. So then it comes with their 3-minute deep conditioner. I absolutely love this so much. And it's in a new bottle too. I kind of like this bottle better than the other one. And it also has detangling leave-in milk, which I'm very interested to trying this out. And then the last 2 products is a curl defining oil and also a curl refresher. So I never used any of these products before, so this is going to be interesting to try out. So that's all that came in that set. If it's still available on Amazon, I'll link it down below. So the next item that I got is vanity mirror lights. And they're the little round lights that you would put, like, that you would see like the vintage mirror lights. So my room doesn't really get the greatest lighting unless I'm facing my window like right now. But if I angle it any other way, it's not gonna be great lighting. It's gonna be pretty dark. So basically I have to do, like, if I'm doing my hair in my room, or if I'm doing my makeup and skincare, and if I'm vlogging like right now, I have to face like this straight by my window. And yeah, it would just be nice to just have like another area for me to do all these things with better lighting. So I was searching on Amazon for some, like, you know, the vintage style vanity mirror lights, and I seen a lot of good ones, and I was gonna purchase one that was like gonna be $180. Luckily I looked at the reviews and the photos because I got to see the actual size. So it was going to be a lot smaller because I thought it was going to be the actual size of the mirror that I have now. That mirror right there, it's a pretty big mirror, or it's pretty long. It's a pretty long mirror. So I thought it was going to be like similar to that size, maybe a little bit smaller, but no, they were like, people were saying that it was tiny. So I kind of went with these self stick-on lights just because I seen it in a Alicia Marie vlog, and then I think Amber School also did this DIY but for her longer mirror like that. So I don't know how I'm going to arrange this because this mirror is pretty long. Either way, we're gonna figure that out later. I also got one more exciting thing. Okay, so this is how the lights turned out. So it looks way brighter on the camera than it does in person. But at least I'm able to like do my makeup, do my skincare right here. It's bright enough for me to see my face basically. And then it can also change colors. This is the remote. So here's the remote to it. It can also change colors. See, look. And an even more warmer tone. So today's Halloween and I'm going to put the Halloween sweaters on my dogs. If I feel up to it, I will make my family play a Halloween Would You Rather, because we did that at my job for our Halloween happy hour and it was a lot of fun. So it depends on how I feel if I want to do that with my family today. Also, I'm expecting a package today too. I'm excited about this package. I brought like a little outfit from a small brand. And I want to make a small brands video because I feel like I have enough items from a lot of small brands that I purchased from May all the way up till now, which is the end of October. I also want to mention that my vlogs are going to be all over the place, meaning that they're going to be uploaded late in November. So I have like my July vlog, August vlog, September vlog, which is not really that much, and October vlog. It's all going to be uploaded in November. That's because I just took a break with my editing and I still recorded like a couple things here and there, but I just been taking a break just to focus on my mental health and everything like that. So I'm uploading everything in November. I have a couple of fashion videos that is also coming out in November. So November is going to be a month where I'm just going to be uploading like crazy, which is a really good thing. I also haven't uploaded because I've been working on a new intro for my YouTube channel and it's kind of a struggle, but I think it's going to come out good and I really hope that you guys like it because in my mind it's nice. I just kind of got tired of the whole little kaleidoscope purple pink intro and then it says my name. Oh, Mom.
And now I have pain and I can barely open my eye.
So right now my mom is in a lot of pain with her eyes. It's not funny, but the story behind it is funny. I don't know if I can tell it on camera though. So we're going to do some holistic healing right now. I need to find all of my crystals.
I used to do all that.
Alrighty.
I was about to say, where the hell is Jazmine?
Dr. Jazmine is here.
Oh my God. Are you dressed up? Are you dressed up? Oh God. Okay, let me open my eye. Oh my God, Jay, she's dressed up. Wait, let me open my eyeglasses.
Wow.
Dr. Jazmine.
Why do you have on an eye? Why do you have on an eye?
I was cooling down my head. You know, I need to wear this to cool down my head. So let me think right now, alright? You know, I'm helping it warm it up. Natural heat, you know, it's going to help with your eyes. Okay, so this is my patient right here.
Yes.
She is suffering with an eye injury.
Yes.
And we are going to try to do some holistic healing on her. Okay, so I have some crystals that align with your chakras. Do you know about chakras, Mom?
No.
I don't know a lot about chakras either, but you know, I'm learning as I go.
You can take my temperature. How are you taking my? How are you taking
Uh-huh.
my? Are you? Girl, that's not take. That's listening to my heartbeat.
Oh yeah. I'm a little nasty.
Babe.
You know, I'm a holistic healer doctor. You know, I'm not.
She said I'm gonna take your temperature with a stethoscope.
Okay, so we're gonna place a crystal on your heart chakra. All right. So which rose quartz do you want? Do you want this one? Do you want this one?
Okay.
Or do you want this one?
Oh hell no, Jazmine, come on now. I don't know what Jazmine got going on. Right?
I don't know what this is right here.
Holistic healing right now.
For what? Her eye?
Yes.
Can we just ask her why did we have to dress up for it? Did you ask her that?
I thought this is a
I'm
perfect
confused
opportunity.
by all of this.
Jazmine, maybe I should make my head straight. Let me move my head
No,
straight.
it's okay. There you go. I also have some essential oils. So essential oils are really nice and they have many different benefits. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to relax. I am going to play some meditation music and I'm just going to guide you on a guided meditation. I want you to... Mom, you have to take this seriously! So I have this Himalayan salt lamp that actually will most likely help with your pain.
Oh, why are you so rough? That was over the bad eye.
I'm sorry, but this can actually help because I had mentioned this in my crystal video, but I had turned this on when I was having food poisoning and I was having very bad cramps, and this helped kind of relieve it. So we're gonna use this. Okay, so right now we're going to kind of experiment on Jamie's curls. Jamie has been growing out his hair since quarantine. This is probably the longest it's like ever gotten.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like, look at that. The growth.
Yeah.
And so I did purchase some new products from Aussie. Did you use the detangling milk?
No, I detangled it in the shower though with the conditioner. So you're gonna put latte and creme brulee in my hair?
Well, I'm only gonna put one of them. I'm probably gonna put the latte in because I actually used the creme brulee.
The creme brulee smells good.
Aussie, this just smells tropical.
Okay.
So first we're gonna start off with this curl definer spray. So this says that it's best to use right after you wash your hair.
Okay.
So, on like clean hair. So
and what does this do? Or just...
So it's supposed to help define your hair. Or yeah, it's supposed to help refresh your curls.
Okay.
Then I am going to add some curl defining oil.
Yeah.
Okay, next we're going to use this cream from Curls. This is the creme brulee whipped cream.
Girl-wise, I don't know how to style it though. That was good.
Yeah, I don't know how to style either.
That was good. It doesn't look moppish, as Mom would say.